Alright guys, so I got Jeepers Creeper here. I got my buddy here that I work with helping me get the seal out here. The rear end's leaking, so today is the day. I'm fixing it. I'm just letting it drain a little bit more. I'm gonna pop the new seal in there, get the dry shaft in here. I got everything legal finally. I got the tag on it. I really want y'all to see the tag. You're gonna come find me and steal my shit. But everything's running good with it, except for the alternator. I got an alternator issue. I had to order a new one. So I got a stock one here now, so it's not getting as much voltage, but it's still just as loud. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this seal put in here, and then gear oil in here. Fortunately, we don't have to worry about a bolt. It's just the actual rubber plug. So I'm actually gonna we got a big air compressor here. I'm gonna take some air and push in there and try to get all the fluid I can out. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, now I ain't no mechanic, but for all you mechanics out there, learning something new right now. All right, shit's flowing like crazy now. So yeah, that definitely works. Put some air back there and blow it out. Get all that old shit out. And then you ain't gotta worry about taking this whole thing off and changing that seal. So, fucking whiz kid over here. And of course, this is the old seal, but the new one is too big. They sold me the wrong one. It's probably for the axle or something. So it's just like a hair too big. Like this almost sits inside this lip of the other one, the new one. So I'm gonna go back to the AutoZone and see if they'll give me the other one and swap it out. Hopefully they have it. If not, I'm gonna have to go to a different parts store because I gotta have it today because I've already got it tore apart and I gotta get this shit done.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I got the new seal in there all the way, and yeah, it's definitely the wrong seal, but we got it in there now. I got the yoke on here, and I'm about to just go ahead and put the nut back on there, and go ahead and take this Ugga Dugga here and hit it with it. It should be good to go. Okay. Alright, that's it. Now all I gotta do is dump some new gear oil back in here in the back. Alright guys, got it fixed. The rear end's fixed. I got the seal in there. I went for a test drive. I'm actually driving now because I gotta go home from my buddies. Everything's good. Got new gear oil in there and ready to rock and roll. So like I said, I'll be doing a lot more content now. I'll be posting a lot more because that's pretty much going to be my new daily now. So we'll see how long it holds up before I got to repair something else. But I pretty much got a new radiator, water pump, all the rear end's good. I just got to get front brakes now, back brakes. It's got good tires, so get ready for a lot more content, guys. A lot more videos and a lot more demos, a lot more meetups. Alright guys, so I drove about 50 miles or so, but as you can see, there is some old wet stuff there on the sides that I didn't wipe off, but there's nothing leaking now. So I got the rear end fixed, everything's on there, good to go. As you can see, it was a little bit of oil everywhere, but should be good to go now. Everything's on there, like I said, nothing's leaking. So dry as a bone, good to go. Alright guys, until next time.